Welcome to balloons. Now for the panel assembly part of your balloon. You're going to need all of these items out. You're going to need 12 sheets of tissue paper, which should be delivered, a section of wax paper, a ruler, a pencil to write with, scissors, glue, a stapler, and you're also going to need your pattern for your balloon panels. First thing we need to do is we need to cut your wax paper. And with your wax paper, you need to mark it every 2 inches. You need your ruler and your wax paper. And I'm just going to hold it up, mark it every 2 inches. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then all you're simply going to do with your wax paper rolled up, you're going to, with your scissors, just cut right on your line. So you have 6 pieces of wax paper cut into strips like this. So you can go ahead and pause the instructions and cut your wax paper. Now for assembling your balloon pieces. You're going to need 2 pieces of your tissue paper. And if you wanted, you could go through your tissue paper and find how you want to match the colors. I'm not going to. I'm just going to line them up as they are. And you're going to spread out these 2 pieces of tissue paper so they're the longer ways. Wouldn't be correct to have them the short way. And you're going to overlap these 2 pieces of tissue paper by a 1/2 inch. And you could use your ruler to just kind of look the first time. When you're gluing these together, it's not real important that this has to be extremely perfect, extremely exact to the 1/2 inch. It's just a good estimate is good enough. So I'm just going to set my ruler there for an example so I can see. And when gluing these, you just got to separate them. Take your glue bottle and loosen the end up. And you're just going to need a little bit of glue. And it's not required to have a whole bunch of glue. It's just tissue paper. And it won't take very much glue to assemble the 2 pieces. Set the glue bottle down, and again just remembering my 1/2 inch, and set it down over there, and I can lightly pat. There's no reason to push really hard, but a light pat is just fine. And so I want it to be nice and straight, and this is where the wax paper comes in. You want to take one of these pieces, and the wax paper has a natural curl down. If you do it upside down, it'll curl up. Take the natural curl and face down. It'll be a little bit easier to hold in place for you. And then what you do is then you're going to carry on. You're going to build 6 panels like this. You have 12 pieces, which will equal 6 panels. And I will just continue making the pieces. We want to do it all, right?
I explain the next one.
So my next 2 pieces, again, I'm just going to keep my wax paper in place, make sure it stays put. The purpose of the wax paper is to prevent the glue from getting on the next balloon panel. And it's going to help you later in a later step if your corners are lined up pretty close. They don't have to be exact again, but closer than a long ways off is going to help you a lot in the long run. So again, just take the glue, just a little bit of glue, overlapping my panels a 1/2 inch, lightly patting. Corners should be pretty close. Again, pay attention to them. Take my wax paper down, lay it down there again, and then I carry on for, that's 2 panels, and I need to do the remaining 4. So at this time, what you could do when you get all 6 panels put together, you want to line up the corners. Corners should be pretty close, and go ahead and pause the instructions and assemble your 6 panels. Next, what you'll need is a stapler, balloon panel, pattern, pencil, and scissors. And simply, first step is you need to line up the corners, and my corners are close enough. They don't have to be perfect, and I'm just going to staple them. Come over to this corner, staple all the edges. It's important to make sure that you get all 6 panels when you staple them. You don't want to miss one. And then, once you've stapled your project, you're going to take the balloon panel pattern. You're going to set it on there. You want to make sure it reaches both ends, so it's centered. Trace out. Once you finish tracing, make sure you roll up the pattern, put it back to its proper storage area. The next step is you will be cutting out your pattern, and it's a pretty simple step, and you want to leave the wax paper in overnight. You don't want to take that out, so you're going to cut right through your wax paper, and one of these corners you're going to need to save for patches in case you get any holes in your balloon. The other 3 corners you can throw away. So I'm just going to save this corner, cut up the edges. I'm just going to save one edge for later holes in my project. So I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting. When you're finished cutting, please remember to close the glue bottles, put everything away. Your one piece of scrap, make sure you save with your balloon panel. You don't want to fold it up too tightly because you could mess up. You need to let it dry overnight. And make sure you write your initials on, you and your partner's initials on your balloon, just so it doesn't get mistaken with anyone else's balloon. Just put everything away.